The 24 consonant phonemes used in English, from if to ir. Here we are to learn the name of the phoneme ing and the symbol used to represent it. This symbol represents the phoneme ing. The name of this phoneme is ing. It is a voiced nasal phoneme. As there is no letter in English to represent this phoneme, I have done it using my tongue. Note, consonant phonemes would take place either the initial position or final position of the syllable. This phoneme would appear only at the end position of the syllable and before the phoneme came also. Anchor. Anger. Ing ang. If anger. Bang. If ba ing bang. Bank. If ba ing bang. Ik bank. Congress. Ik o ko ing kong. Ir as Congress. Donkey. It o lo ing long. Ik longi. English. E ing. Ik ish. English. Fang. If ing fang. Gang. If I mean g ing gang. King. If I ik ki ing gang. Long. Il o lo ing long. Monkey. Imbo ing mo. Iki ki mongi. Bang. If ba ing bank. Alright. Ng. If I ring. Song. Yes o so ing song. Tang. It ta ing tang. Wng. O we ing wing. Letters N, Ng represent this phoneme.